Hi everyone! Welcome to Minimalist Millennials, a new series by the Minimalist Society where we cover some topics applicable to millennials. If you enjoy our videos, do hit the subscribe button and notification bell to stay up to date with our future videos. In this episode, we share how minimalism contributes to better productivity. The phrase quality over quantity gets thrown around a lot, and for good reason. Minimalism is all about doing the things that give you purpose and removing any unnecessary distractions from your life. Sometimes, having too many available choices can be paralyzing. You waste time and energy debating between choices when the time could be put to better use. Minimalism helps to free up your mental space so that you can channel that energy to other important things in your life. On top of that, by choosing to do only the things that value add to your life, you cut down the number of tasks on your to-do list, but also have more time to do these tasks in general. And although this may seem counterintuitive, as you are seemingly taking more time to do these tasks, it is more productive by contributing positively to your life. A neat and clutter-free environment is one of the perks of being a minimalist. Owning fewer possessions ensures that there is a home for every object that you own. This makes it easier for you to find the things you need, thus promoting a smoother workflow and increased productivity. Speaking of clutter, it could exist both physically and mentally. When you keep your space tidy, it not only ensures that your mind also stays a blank canvas that is ready for any upcoming task, but it also widens your ability to imagine, think, and create. In addition, keeping your surroundings neat reduces the number of distractions you have in your environment and allows you to stay focused for longer to formulate deeper thoughts that might help with your work process. Minimalism also frees up your schedule when you get rid of non-essential tasks that don't contribute positively to your life. This allows for better time management and provides the space for pit stops and breaks in between. In the long run, this will cultivate a healthy work habits, which in turn generates productivity. To learn more about how minimalism improves your time management, do click on the link in the description down below. You don't have to dive into the whole idea of minimalism immediately, but try to be conscious of your actions and thoughts. Clear up your mind and space bit by bit, and soon, you will realize the art of minimalism. If you enjoyed our content, do like, share and subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to be notified of our future videos. See you guys in the next one.